JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, PHP, R, C++, C#, Lua, and also Erlang, Elixir, and new languages. We can create them, Java, and also we have Node.js, Express.js, Ember.js, Nest.js, Nuxt.js, and also Vue.js, and web developing. We can create different websites, we can create video chats and other features. We are doing it with sine waves, also cosine waves, tangent and cotangent, second, cosecond, arctangent, and also arccotangent and arcsecond, arccosecond, and also with arcsine, arccosine, atan, atan, and also we have different math functions, DOM, and also environment, and also we have AX, BX, CX, DX, EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, EBP, ECP, and base pointers, and also we have stack pointers as x86 assembly language compiled.